Imagine waking up each morning to discover that you've earned money while you were sound asleep. It's a dream for many. But what if I told you there's a tangible way to make this a reality? Selling coloring books on Amazon KDP can make that passive income dream possible. It's a fantastic opportunity to tap into a growing market and establish a revenue stream that works for you, even when you're not actively working. The best part? You don't need to be a seasoned artist or a professional writer to get started. Forget about needing years of experience or a fancy art degree. Absolutely anyone can do this, and the tools you need are often free and incredibly easy to use. We're talking about accessible software that puts the power of creation right at your fingertips. Coloring books are a timeless classic, and they're always in high demand. The market is consistently looking for fresh and engaging content. They're perennially appealing to kids, offering hours of creative fun and engagement. But it's not just kids. Adults are increasingly turning to coloring books as a way to relax, de-stress, and tap into their own creative potential. Once your book is published and available on Amazon, it becomes a source of passive income. This means that every time someone purchases your book, you earn money, even while you're focused on other things. Amazon handles the entire printing process, ensuring high-quality production without you having to invest in expensive equipment. They also take care of shipping your books directly to customers and provide customer service, freeing you from logistical headaches. Because Amazon handles the printing and shipping only when a book is sold, your upfront production costs are nearly zero. The possibilities are endless, and you can target countless themes and niche markets to cater to specific interests and passions. You could create intricate mandala designs, or perhaps inspirational coloring pages filled with motivational quotes. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk through the process of creating a premium adult coloring book that stands out from the competition. We'll be crafting a book with 50 unique and captivating images, all meticulously formatted to achieve a professional and polished look. I'll walk you through every single step of the process, providing clear and concise instructions along the way. From conducting thorough niche research to identify profitable opportunities, to harnessing the power of AI for art generation, creating stunning visuals with ease. And finally, designing a book cover that not only looks amazing but also effectively attracts potential buyers and drives sales. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge and tools you need to confidently launch your own coloring book empire and start generating passive income. Let's set up Canva, a great platform for your coloring book's interior design. Start by creating a custom design to perfectly fit your needs. Input 8.625 by 8.75 inches, carefully accounting for the necessary bleed area. Next, set your margins precisely at 0.375 inches all around. Use Canva's helpful rulers and guidelines. This keeps your artwork safely away from being trimmed during printing. For this project, we'll use a total of 100 pages in our book. That's 50 pages specifically for images placed on the right-hand odd-numbered pages, and 50 blank pages on the left-hand even pages ready for coloring. This is to prevent any ink from bleeding through to the other side. Now duplicate your initial page setup until you have a complete set of 100 pages. This thoughtful structure ensures your coloring book has a professional and user-friendly feel. Canva's intuitive interface makes the whole process easy, even if you're a beginner. With your digital canvas all set and ready, it's time to start thinking about your book's theme. Next up, let's move on to the crucial step of niche research. To create a coloring book that truly stands out and sells consistently, it's not enough to just have beautiful designs. You need to identify and target a specific niche, a segment of the market that's actively searching for the kind of coloring book you're planning to create. This targeted approach is key to success. Start by browsing Amazon in incognito mode. This ensures your search results aren't influenced by your browsing history, giving you a more accurate view of what customers are actually seeing. Then, take a close look at the top-selling coloring books in various categories. Analyze what makes them popular. Carefully note their themes, the style of their covers, and the keywords they're using in their titles and descriptions. These are all clues to what's resonating with buyers. Avoid generic ideas that are already oversaturated in the market. Instead, get specific and niche down to a more targeted audience. For example, instead of just animals, think sloth yoga, a fun and quirky combination that appeals to a specific interest. Or instead of just castles, consider gothic castles, a darker, more specific theme that attracts a different kind of coloring enthusiast. The key is to move away from broad categories like animals. When evaluating a book's success, check the bestsellers rank, BSR, on its Amazon page. A BSR under 100,000 generally indicates strong sales and popularity within its category. For the purposes of this guide, we'll use the nature and mindfulness niche as our example. This niche is particularly appealing to adults seeking relaxation and a creative outlet. Start brainstorming relevant keywords such as nature adult coloring book, which directly targets the theme and audience. Consider keywords like stress relief coloring book, highlighting the benefit of the coloring activity. And explore keywords like mindfulness coloring book for women, further refining your target demographic. Aim to create a comprehensive list of at least 7 strong keywords that accurately describe your book and its target audience. These keywords will be crucial for your book's metadata. Thorough keyword research is essential because it directly impacts your book's discoverability on platforms like Amazon. The right keywords will help potential customers find your book when they're searching for coloring books in your niche. Now that we've identified our niche and keywords, let's move on to the exciting part: creating your coloring pages using the power of AI. Staring at a blank page, feeling uninspired? Do you lack the drawing skills to create the coloring pages you envision? No problem. Let AI be your artistic partner and do the heavy lifting. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence to bring your coloring book ideas to life. In Canva, a user-friendly design platform, discover and use the Magic Media tool. This feature is your gateway to generating unique artwork effortlessly. Use Magic Media to generate crisp, clean-line art graphics directly from simple text prompts. Describe what you want and watch the AI work its magic. When prompted, choose the graphics option within Magic Media. This tells the AI you're looking for visual elements, not photographs or other media. For that classic coloring book feel, select the monoline style. This ensures your images have clean, bold lines that are perfect for coloring. The key to great AI art is writing clear, descriptive prompts like a majestic deer with floral antlers, thick lines, no color, coloring book style. Be specific about the style and elements you want to see. Magic Media gives you 4 distinct options per prompt, providing a range of creative interpretations to choose from. Review the options carefully. Pick the best one that aligns with your vision, and refine as needed. You can always generate more if none are quite right. The best part? Canva's free plan offers enough credits to generate all 50 images for your coloring book, making this project accessible to everyone. When selecting your images, focus on those with bold, simple lines. These are easier and more enjoyable to color. It's best to avoid overly complex or heavily shaded designs, as these can be difficult to color and may not translate well to a coloring book format. Once you've generated a variety of images, curate your 50 best for a cohesive, high-quality collection that reflects your personal style. Congratulations, you're now the art director of your own coloring book, shaping the creative vision and selecting the perfect images. Next, let's dive into the process of assembling your interior pages, bringing your coloring book to life, page by page. Time to build your book's interior in Canva. Place each AI-generated image on the odd-numbered right-hand pages, keeping even pages blank to prevent ink bleed. Center and resize each image within the margins for a polished look. Add a "This book belongs to" page at the start for a personal touch. Optionally, include a review request at the end. Review all 100 pages to ensure images are correctly placed and nothing is cut off. Download your interior as a PDF print file. This is what you'll upload to KDP. Your book's inside is now complete. Let's design a cover that stands out. Your cover is your best marketing tool. Make it pop. Use a free KDP cover template from bookow.com to get the exact dimensions for your 100-page 8.5 x 8, 5 inches book. Upload the template into Canva and stretch it to fit your canvas. Use Magic Media to generate a vibrant, full-color image for the front cover. Try prompts like, "A beautiful bear with nature patterns, vivid colors." Add a bold title and subtitle using fonts that match your theme. Place black and white previews of your coloring pages on the back cover. Delete the template layer before downloading your final cover as a PDF print file. Now you have your interior and cover files ready. Let's publish your book on Amazon KDP. Head to kdp.amazon.com, sign in, and select Create Paperback. Enter your title, subtitle, and author name, real or pen name, using your researched keywords. Write a compelling description highlighting your book's benefits and audience. Choose relevant categories and enter your keywords for discoverability. In the content section, get your free ISBN, select black and white interior with bleed, and upload your interior and cover PDFs. Disclose your use of AI-generated images. Select many AI-generated images, and specify Canva Magic Media. Preview your book to check for errors, then set your price. Around $6.99 is a good start. Click Publish your paperback book. After Amazon's review, your book will be available worldwide. Congratulations, you're now a published creator.